But Rob, what am I looking at? Well, what you're looking at right now is the potty closet of the 1972 Shasta Compact. Well, why don't you turn on some lights? You're always looking at lights, telling us about lights. Yeah, but in this potty closet, there's not that much room, and I don't need any of the big lights because it's too much. It blinds you. And so I've been looking for a solution. Oh, now check this out. See, my hand's holding the camera, so this is not in my hand. And here's our box. So this is why I can't use the inside electric or the lights, because I'm getting ready to hook this up. So, look at this. I'm going to show you here in just a second. Just wanted you to see that I'm not holding it. There's both my hands. All right. But, what do you say? Well, is that very bright? Let's see. There, it can be low light right here, or it has a switch that I'm hitting that lights up a lot more. Let me show this to you just real quick. All right, there's the deal. When I first got this from WURKKOS, I'll put all the information down in the description. I saw this and it was, look at how small it is. I'm like, well, what in the world am I going to do with that? I've got big lights. I got lights that'll light up all the world headquarters. What am I going to do with this? And then I thought, hands-free, because look, it's got several things that it does. I don't want you to think it just does the two things, that I showed you. And of course, it'll be in the description. Check it out. But when I go inside, and I need my hands, both my hands, for the electric, and I don't really like the big lights in that application. I like my big lights, just not in that application. WURKKOS is like, hey, we do camping. Let me show you what we do, Rob. And I'm like, okay, let me make you a video. And I just put that on there. I don't even have to hold it on. It's small enough and compact enough that it stays right against my chest. So wherever I look is where the light looks, which is, as my daughter will tell you, she did not like holding the flashlight for me when I'm doing work. I think we've all been there. So, really like this. Compact, it's bright, it's LED, and it is rechargeable. You don't need batteries, rechargeable. So WURKKOS, look down in the description, and I'm going to get back in there and get this electric on, because then I can start the AC.